Hi children, welcome back to our online English classes. Dear student, I hope you all are fine and enjoying watching videos. Keep watching videos regularly and study regularly. Dear students, in our previous video, we have finished the story 3.1. Okay, now we have to learn question answers about this story gardening. Okay, so this first question answers I have sent you already. Now let's see second question. Name the thing that you would use for each of the following. Gardening activities, also draw their pictures if you can. So if you can, you have to draw the pictures. Actions are given here, works are given here. Which object or which thing we can use, we have to write this. For digging, for cutting grass, for cutting hedges, for smoothing the soil, for watering the plants, for gathering leaves of grass, and for taking away cut grass, hedges, weeds, etc. So students, we have already done this lesson about these all things. So we knew these all answers. So let's see, I will show you its answers. You can pause video and take screenshot. So here this question is there. For digging we can use spade or rake. For cutting we can use lawn mower or shears. Okay, lawn mower or shears. For cutting hedges we can use shears. For smoothing the soil we can use rake. For watering the plants, watering can we can use. For gathering leaves and grass, rake or fork we can use. And for taking away cut grass, hedges and weed, etc. So we should use their will number. Okay. So these are the answers of this question. You pause video and take screenshot. Next question we are going to learn now. Now see word power. Use the following in sentences so as to bring out their meaning. So we have to use these following phrases in our sentences to bring out their meanings. In fact, set aside, get rid of, come to life, take care of, make sure of, more and more, and take into account. So let's see their answers. Okay. Again students, you pause video and take screenshot and solve in your notebook. Okay. So first sentence, she is in fact the best player of our team. So to talk about reality, we use this phrase in fact. She is in fact the best player of our team. It is a good habit to set aside some money every month. Okay, to reserve. You should try to get rid of your selfish friends. Fourth one, in spring everything in nature comes to life. Okay, means becomes active and lively due to the rainwater. Okay, it is the duty of the parents to take care of their children. To take care of. Okay, phrases are there. To take care of. Now make sure of. So sixth one, you must make sure of everything before buying this house. Okay, I am becoming more and more fed up with his behavior. You must take into account means consider my problems before you say all this to me. So first of all, you consider my problem and then you can say it to me. So in this way, these phrases we have used in sentences. You pause video and take screenshot and solve in your notebook. Okay. Next question. Second, for each word write two other words similar in meaning. You can find your words in the box. So we have to write synonyms Two synonyms we have to write, and from the box we have to find and write them. Story means tale or anecdote. Earth means what? So we can see here. First words earth, simple, certain, change, protect, provide, suitable, support. And words are here. Befitting, alter, give, sure, anecdote, defend, help, easy, definite, supply, proper, globe, favor, plain, tell, world, save, well. So as earth, we can say earth as world or globe. Okay. To earth we can say globe also and to world also. So these two words we can write here as globe and second one is world. So students, their answers will be found here on the next page that I have written already. Let's see. Yes, here. Earth, globe and world. Simple means easy and plain. Certain means sure or definite. Change means alter or vary. Protect means defend or save. Provide means give or supply. Suitable means proper or befitting. And support means help and favor. Okay, so these are the synonyms used for these words. Again, you take screenshot and solve in your textbook and notebook. Okay, now next question on the page number 73. Reword the following sentences. Means we have to rewrite the sentence replacing the words in italics with the proper form of words in the box. So whatever the italic words are given there, we have to rewrite them by using proper forms in the box. So one is done for you. Add food. Add food to the soil by digging in manure. So what is meant by to add food? So it is given here, enrich the soil by digging in manure. So add food to, its meaning is here enrich. So in this way we will find out the answer. So get rid of, suitable. Okay. So again let's see the answers. Rake the soil to free it from stones and winds. So which word is used here? Which word is used here? Rake the soil to get rid of stones and winds. So rake the soil to free. Okay, to free it from stones and winds. Next, take proper measures. Proper word is used here to check plant disease. If one of your plants dies, find out the reason. So which word is used here? If one of your plants dies, find out why. So find out why means find out the reason. Okay, so we have used here the word reason. There are different types of foam and all are used for removing weeds. So here we have used various. Various means different. Okay, already it is given here different from the box. Next sentence, they are here. Before planning a garden of your own, you must make sure of certain things. So make sure means what? So we have used here. Before planning a garden of your own, you must ascertain certain things. Okay, so in this way we have finished this question here. Now one more question we are going to learn in this video only. That is last one. Okay, from page number 73 and 74. Okay, so pause video and take screenshot. So next question is from grammar in use. Rewrite sentences using the passive form of the verb. Study the example first. So students, we have to make these sentences in passive voice. Already you have learned active voice, passive voice in your grammar subject. Okay, now we will do it on in English subject. Okay, they make glass from sand. So here subject is glass and object is sand. So what is written here? Glass is made from sand. So in this way this sentence is done. So we have to remaining all sentences we have to do in passive voice. So let's see their answers. You can pause video and take screenshot. Second one, they made glass from sand. So made is given here, that's why we have to take was here. Glass was made from sand. Okay. Then they will make glass from sand. Will make. So glass will be made from sand. Passive voice. Okay. They have made glass from sand. So glass, and now have is there, that's why we have to take has. Glass has been made from sand. Okay, what we have to screenshot. They are making glass from sand. So what will be the answer? Glass is being made from sand. They were making glass from sand. So glass was being made from sand. It was in present tense, it is in past tense. In future tense. They will have made glass from sand. Glass will have been made from sand. At once they had already made glass from sand. So its answer is glass had already been made from sand. Okay. So in this way students, we have finished this all question answers. You can pause video and take screenshots, solve this in your notebook. If you don't understand anything, you can message me or call me. Remaining part we will continue in our next video.